how to draw on Microsoft OneNote. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw on Microsoft OneNote easily. So all what you have to do is simple. As you can see, this is the home page of Microsoft OneNote. Now all what you have to do is go here, click on this draw option and choose any pencil you want. For example, let's choose this one. As you can see, you can draw, you can add text and start at like this. You can also delete like this. So easy to use. It's so easy actually, and it makes the works easy. And yeah, you can also add shapes from here if you want, as you can see. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.